Remember this, mate. In war, you don't rise to the occasion. You sink to the level of your training. There's a price to pay for peace, and it's never cheap. Out there, every second counts. Hesitation gets you killed. Keep your eyes sharp, lads. Complacency is a killer. Loyalty to your team is your greatest weapon. In the field, trust isn't given. It's earned with blood, sweat, and scars. The battlefield doesn't care about heroes. It only respects survival. War isn't pretty, but it's a job that has to be done. You don't fight for medals, you fight for the man next to you. When the odds are stacked against you, that's when you find out who you really are. Stay focused, stay alive. There's no such thing as fair in war, there's only who's left standing. Victory doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who fight for it. Remember, lads, courage isn't the absence of fear, it's moving forward despite it. You don't have to like the mission, you just have to complete it. When the dust settles, the only thing that matters is who's still standing. The enemy never sleeps, neither should your vigilance. A mission's only as strong as the bond of the team carrying it out. When chaos reigns, discipline is your compass. Learn from every loss, every wound. They're the scars of a seasoned fighter. Your weapon isn't your rifle, it's your mind. Keep your head low, your spirits high, and your aim true. Precision and patience win battles, not just brute force. Dark times demand bright minds. War shows you who you are and who you're not. You don't choose the fight, but you decide how you face it. In war, plans fail, adaptation wins. Never underestimate your enemy or your own resilience. Silence is your ally, but never your weakness. No matter the odds, never surrender. On the battlefield, hesitation is fatal. The first casualty of war is always innocence. The strongest soldiers are forged in the fires of adversity. Courage doesn't roar, it whispers, keep going. The mission comes first. Always. It's not about being the strongest, it's about being the smartest. Your instincts are your best friend. Don't ignore them. Every bullet tells a story. Make sure yours is worth hearing. Pain is temporary. Victory is eternal. Out there, you're either the hunter or the hunted. Chaos is the enemy's best weapon. Don't let them wield it. Teamwork isn't just about trust. It's about survival. Keep moving, keep fighting, keep surviving. Outthink your enemy. Outlast your fears. The battle may be won with guns, but the war is won with strategy. In war, you write your story with every choice you make. A good soldier knows when to fight and when to retreat. Patience isn't a weakness, it's a weapon. The calm before the storm. That's where heroes are made. Your past doesn't define you, your actions today do. War doesn't build character, it reveals it. In the end, the only thing that matters is who stands with you. Adversity sharpens the blade of resolve. Outnumbered doesn't mean outmatched. Your heart is your greatest weapon. Never let it falter. Preparation is the key to survival. Stay sharp, stay deadly. War doesn't take breaks, neither can you. The battlefield respects skill, not titles. Always watch your six. Danger loves blind spots. When fear whispers, shout back with courage. In the face of chaos, find your calm. Bullets don't discriminate, stay alert. Lead by example, the troops will follow. A silent approach is often the deadliest. Out there, luck isn't reliable, skill is. The storm doesn't break you, it reveals your strength. Never fight a battle unprepared. Focus, discipline, execution, that's how wars are won. Stay humble, stay hungry, stay dangerous. Every step forward is a victory in itself. In war, there are no guarantees, only opportunities. Respect your enemy, but never fear them. Out there, the only easy day was yesterday. The mission never waits for comfort. Failure isn't falling down, it's staying down. The scars of battle tell a story of resilience. Keep your wits sharpened than your knife. It's not about who fires first, it's about who hits. When in doubt, trust your training. Silence can be louder than a gunshot. Control your fear or it'll control you. War doesn't care about heroes, it cares about survivors. Precision over panic every single time. A good soldier fights for more than orders. War tests of your limits and then pushes them. No one fights alone. Never forget that. Keep moving forward, that's the only way. A steady hand and a clear mind can win any battle. The darkness of war reveals the light within. Keep fighting. Keep believing. A soldier's strength lies in his purpose. Adaptation is survival's sharpest edge. Courage doesn't mean you're fearless. It means you fight through the fear. No mission is impossible, just incredibly difficult. There's honor in fighting for what's right. Your greatest weapon isn't your gear, it's your will. Even in war, hope is your compass. Survival isn't guaranteed, it's earned. And when the dust settles, remember, it's not the weapons that won the war, it's the warriors.